What's the meaning of African Canadian? African Canadian. African Canadian. African Canadian. African Canadian. African Canadian. African Canadian refers to individuals of African descent who hold Canadian citizenship or permanent residency in Canada. The term acknowledges the cultural heritage and experiences of Black people whose ancestors immigrated to Canada from various parts of Africa. African Canadian serves as a way to recognize the unique contributions made by Black Canadians to Canadian society, while also highlighting the ongoing struggles for equal rights and social justice faced by this community. It is a term that celebrates diversity and multiculturalism within Canada, specifically within the Black community.